This will be a room tour of my room at the Gritti Palace Hotel in Venice, Italy. We're in 328, 329, and it's called the Città de Coronito Suite. Interesting key. So this is what they call a Serenissima suite. I was lucky to be upgraded to this. There's some artwork. Come in, you have a foyer right here. And so just off to the right here is a half bath. And I probably won't be using this because it's just me. No need. And this is the living area. You got some things here that are free and some things that are not. The water's free, the liquor isn't, obviously. I hate to think of what that costs. But this is the living room. Got a little dining area. I wonder what's in here. If there's even anything. Ooh. Antique furniture. Nothing in there, I don't think. Old skeleton key. Okay. Well, anyway. Let's forget about that. So over here you have a big TV. I don't think those are free, but anyway, there's a mini bar down here, which is very nice. All right, now let's go check out the furniture. It's nice furniture. A Bang & Olufsen docking station. Let's take a look at the view. Really not much of a view from this room, but who cares? Now let's go in the bedroom. So it is a one-bedroom suite. Quite large. You have a nice bed over there. Whole bunch of closets. Nothing in here. Okay, so there's a safe and a laundry bag and I guess an extra duvet or something in case you get cold. More water. And in here, got shoe cleaning brushes, I guess. An extra pillow, you've got a robe. Nice. Now, we gotta go check out the bathroom. Another TV. There's the desk. So you've got a makeup area for the ladies. I won't be using that. You've got the bathroom. With a bidet. And here you've got two sinks with really lovely amenities. Hey. And you've got a nice deep bathtub here with a hand shower. Ooh, bath salts. Not the bad kind. But let's go in the shower. This is the shower. It's got a rain shower. Another hand shower there. More robe, more towels. That's not heated right now, but you got a nice robe there. There's a hair dryer there and a scale. Really nice. Well, that concludes this room tour.